Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Great car, guys. I love this color. It's called, I hope I say this right, Toreador Red. It's just a beautiful, kind of like a crimson looking metallic paint. Pretty color on this car. It's got the white deluxe interior, matching numbers, 327 car. I actually took it out and cruised it yesterday, took it out to lunch. Just a really nice running and driving car. It's about a 8-10 year old restoration. It's got 6,200 miles on the car since it was done, but just a pretty car. It's got the Cragar SS's with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Again, good running small block. If you're looking for just a nice, clean, straight old Camaro to take to your local shows and cruises, I think you'll have a ball with this car. It's got disc brakes, power steering. Of course, it's got the white Z striping, white convertible top, and it's a convertible. Those are always fun in the sunshine. But pretty car. Well, as we kind of walk around, I didn't see a whole lot you could really pick on the car. The car is very nice. It's got the front spoiler. They definitely replaced those bumpers. I'm glad we got some sunshine so you can kind of get a real good feel for this paint. This paint is pretty. I love the color. It's very different. Of course, it's not a stock color. It's I think it's a 96 Chevrolet color, they said. But boy, it's pretty. It's got the deluxe interior, which is nice. White interior is very nice in a convertible, guys. I can tell you, I have had my back of my legs burnt before. Sitting in a convertible in the summertime, you're sitting at the car show and you don't even think about it and you jump in it. That sun's been beating on the interior all day. That white is very nice. That's why it's so popular down south. Yeah, I like the color a lot on this car. It's got a really good look to it. There's a little chip there. I'll see if we can kind of get a little touch up on that. Car's nice and flat down the sides. I like the Cragar, and I'm not a big Cragar guy, but I like the Cragar SS's on this car. Pretty car. Rear deck spoiler. There's one little, you can see a little touch-up mark there where they probably scratched it or something. Beautiful set of Cragars. Again, it does have disc brakes on it. Again, this is the matching numbers. 327 cubic inch engine in there. It's got a 4-barrel. You can see the Edelbrock aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's a 350 turbohydramatic trans. And like I say, I cruised it yesterday. Shifts out good. Drove really nice and tight. I like the car a lot. This color really hits me good. The trim and stuff is in very nice shape on the car. A lot of times this takes a beating and it's in pretty nice shape. You see a little scratch there in the paint. Deluxe interior, that's a nice option on this car. Bucket seats, you get a little wear there you can see in the trim. Bucket seats, console. It's a manual top. Jay's kind of put it up here for us. It's got all the correct seat belts in. Most of these Camaros actually were manual tops. And they're really easy to go up and down. 6210 on the odometer there. You see the little interior lights are working on the car. Yeah, put that up a little bit, Jay, so you can see it. It's got the plastic back window, but the top's in great shape. It's got dual exhaust. It's just a stock gear like a 323. Definitely something you get on the expressway and cruise, but I mean, you just start looking at this car and you look at all the cracks and crevices. They're very nice. It's just a good car. It's got the new boot. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. That's the little plug that goes up here, guys. That's all that is. Nice car though. Pretty car. That color just jumps off this car. Looks good. It's got the new dual exhaust. Floors are clean. Just a good solid car. And like I say, when I drove it, it's nice and tight. Yeah, and a convertible, I'll tell you, the white interior is nice. That sun can kind of heat up the seats quickly. Console's in great shape. That dash is nice. The gauges are all in real nice. That's one of the things I noticed yesterday driving it. Those gauges are in real good shape. Door buzzer works. Key buzzer, I should say. Just a good car. Fuel gauge works. Again, see how nice the gauges are in there? The plastic in the gauges are nice. Anything on the radio? No, on the radio. Blower motor does work though. Turned that on yesterday. Doors open and shut real nice. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that car is pretty. Just got a real good look. Have a great day, guys.